Good morning, student. Question number 9. An ornament is made of gold and copper and weight 52 gram. If 2/30 of its part is copper, find the weight of pure gold in it. Ninth question. Weight of ornament. Weight of ornament is 52 gram and copper is 2/13 of its part. Copper is 2/13 part of 52. So cancel out. 13 4s are 4 into 2 8 gram copper. So find the weight of pure gold. Total weight is 52 gram. 8 gram is copper. So gold weight or weight of gold is total weight of ornament minus copper weight minus 8. 44 gram. Next question. Question number 11. A rectangular sheet of paper is 12.5 centimeter long. Length of rectangular sheet given 12.5 centimeter. So 12 into 2 24 plus 1 25/2 centimeter and breadth of rectangular sheet given 10 and 2/3 centimeter. So 10 into 3 30, 30 plus 2 32/3 centimeter. Length and breadth given. You have to calculate perimeter and area. First, perimeter of rectangular sheet formula of perimeter 2 length plus breadth. 2 length given 25/2 plus breadth is 32/3. 32/3. Now LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. 6 divided by 2 3. 3 into 25 75 plus 6 divided by 3 2. 2 into 32 64. Now 2 75 plus 64 5 plus 4 9 6 plus 7 139/6. So cancel out. 2 1s are 2 3s are 6. 139 divided by 3. 3 4s are 12. 6 are 18. 1/3 centimeter is perimeter. Second part, area. Area's formula. Area of rectangular sheet is L into B, length into breadth. Now multiply 25/2 length and 32/3 breadth. So first cancel out. 2 1s are 2 2, 2 6 are 12. So 25 into 16 divided by 3. Multiply 26 into 16. 25 into 16 is 400 divide by 3. Now 400 divide by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 3 threes are 9, 1 upon 3 square centimeter or centimeter square. Next, question number 12. In a school, 25 upon 20, 54 of the student are girls and the rest are boys. If the number of boys is 2030, find the number of girls. Given number of boys, given number of boys, given 2030, and you have to calculate the number of girls. Number of girls, and one condition given कि girls are 25 upon 54 of the total number of student. Let the total number of student be X. Suppose total number of student X, so girls are 25 upon 54 of the student. So 25 upon 54 of the student. So boys X total number of student minus 25x upon 54. So take LCM. 54x minus 25x. So 29x upon 54 are boys, but in number given 2030 boys. In ratio 29 upon 54 of the total number of student boys. So boys given 2029x upon 54, total boys 2030. So calculate X. X is 2030 into 54 upon 29 by transposition. Now cancel out and find the value. So 29 into 7. 29 ones are and 29 sevens are 203. So 70. Now 54 into 70. Into 7, 3780. 3780. Total number of student, X is total number of student. Total number of student is 3780. Now you have to calculate number of girls. So girls, total number of student minus number of boys 2030. So subtract 571. Number of girls 1750. Thank you.